What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I haven't posted in about 2 weeks. I was just checking my YouTube channel right now, and I'm really sorry for not posting. I just kind of took time off, took a break, just didn't post on YouTube, didn't post on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I post on all of those platforms, all of like my reels and just content, and I don't know, I just felt like needed a break, so took time off. But anyway, right now we're about to meet up with the homie Nick. As you guys know, he recently just picked up a BMW M3 F80, which finally I've been waiting for him to hop back into the BMW world. So right now we're waiting for him to pull up. We're gonna congratulate him, check out his whip, and let's see what he's gonna do to the car, because I'm sure he's got plans for it. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and let's wait for him to pull up. And as you can see, we got my M4 GTS, which got a car wash today, so it looks super clean. Hopefully we can hit some car meets this weekend, go cruising with the homies. It looks so freaking good. Damn, she looks so freaking good. Damn, that shit looks so clean. Look how low it is.
Finally!
Bro, it's so weird seeing you in a BMW.
I literally just said that. I was like, this is so weird.
It's crazy, bro. Are you sure you didn't rent it?
It's my friend's car.
That's crazy. What's up? Congrats, my guy.
Thank you.
Welcome back to the BMW
I know.
world.
I'm finally.
I mean, you have the E46, but
I know,
still,
but
like, nah, not like F80, E92. Bro, congrats. It's just clean, bro. Hold on. Let me see.
What? Oh, no, don't explain.
You know you're... I'm sorry, but you know what you remind me of? The trolls, the ones at the under the bridge, those little ones with the pink
Oh,
hair.
like the movie? Bro, no one likes my hair.
Bro, you're so funny. But dude, how are you liking this thing? It's
Bro,
nice,
look how
huh?
clean it is.
I know.
We should put these wheels on your car one day.
Let's do it.
Damn, that
That should look clean,
hard.
huh?
Well,
Wow.
actually, you know what I was thinking? What if I sat in PPF it? It will look
Oh,
like
it will
this,
look
right?
exactly like this.
Wait, that's the same
Because
color?
this is, yeah, same color, just mine is like matte.
Ah,
Yeah.
I think I might do it.
This is, I think it's mineral gray. And that's what they call it. But dude, that's just clean. It already has the wheels. It's got the GTS hood, so he's good on that. It's crazy low. Looks really good. Really nice fitment.
You like it?
Yes.
For real.
That shit is nice. Look at that.
It's stick shift.
I know. I saw it too. 6-speed manual.
You want to drive it?
Got the steering wheel. I'm down. Let's do it. That's just super clean. Carbon roof. And also, guys, it has low miles. For 2016, 44,000 miles. 48. Oh, yeah, 48,000 miles. It's super clean. Seats look good. Got the black leather. It's really clean. Got the Alcantara steering wheel with like the leather. Got the carbon center trim. It looks really good. It's got wheels on it already. I think he was talking about probably like diffuser, side skirts. He might remove the little spoiler. I know he's gonna get a front lip. There's just a lot of stuff you can do to this car. It's insane. Like the mods on modding a BMW, any BMW, is just endless. There's so many things you can do to these cars. It's crazy. So I can't wait to see the outcome of it.
I want to get the little downstar bolts too.
Oh yeah, you should. That would be sick too.
I want to do so much.
Dude, there's a lot. I'm telling you, you'll never stop. You will never stop.
That's why I like this better than GTR. I feel like this has more mods.
Yeah, like there's like 10 different style lips, side skirts, diffusers. There's so many to choose from. You know, it's cool. I like it.
All that shit's coming soon.
That's just dope. Also, they just came out with this. You can replace this and put carbon on it. Yeah. So we were just talking about he should do stealth. If he does stealth, it'll be exactly like the GTS. I think it'll be pretty cool. Huh? Yeah, do it though. Yeah, whatever. Damn, they look freaking good. Sheesh. It's insane. I'm assuming you're gonna get tuned, all that stuff.
I don't want to make it crazy though. I'm just gonna do like a basic tune. I'm not trying
Not
to
too
like,
aggressive on it.
Yeah, I don't want to blow my
you.
motor.
I feel you.
I don't want car problems. It's
True,
supposed to be a daily.
True. Oh, okay.
So like,
no,
I
you're
want it
good.
Just cool.
Just do like a basic file tune,
Like a little bit
all
of
that
purple.
stuff. Yeah.
Go follow me on Instagram at lifewithk.
Sheesh. We were just talking about if you should do stars in the ceiling. That'd be pretty cool. Like I said, guys, there's just a lot of things you can do to the BMWs. A lot. And I'm talking about cosmetically, performance-wise, everything all around. There's just a lot of things you can do. And like I said, I can't wait to see how he's gonna do his F80. Hopefully, it'd be pretty cool if he could do that stealth color so we can kind of match. We have the sedan version, we have the coupe version. It'd be pretty cool. But like I said, I think he's gonna do red calipers. I think he's gonna try to do the red interior, all the carbon. It's gonna be sick. So yeah, guys, if you guys didn't know, there's different generations to the headlights. These are the non-adaptives. Those are the adaptives, and then there's LCI. So this is like pre-LCI. This is like pre-LCI 1, and then there's LCI 2, which is like the ones that come on the 2018s and newer. So yeah, just to swap those out for the OLED style, that'd be pretty cool if you did those. We got 340s I pulled up. So this is the generation before, and that's the new generation. Look at them, aggressive. They both look really good though, but that looks crazy. That looks super aggressive. You can see the headlights on there, way different. Look at the headlights. That's just crazy. And then he's got the big screen. The 2023, they come with like that full screen inside. So he's got the white with like this red burgundy interior. Super nice. As you can see, that big ass screen. Insane, bro. Look at that. Dude, this is sick, man. So all the new 2023s and 2024s M4s are coming with this full screen size right here. It's pretty sick. And as you come to the back, look at that. It's pretty sick. Crazy diffuser. They're really nice cars. M340s, for the price, can't beat it. And it's crazy because you can do so much to these cars. Like, they make crazy power. Alrighty, guys. Well, we are gonna head out. It was good seeing Nick and congratulating him on his car. I don't know what he's doing over there, little dance. But we might go to a car meet tomorrow, so you guys will see us pull up tomorrow. It's gonna be sick. That's it.
Why is it so quiet, bro?
Little 328.
What if he sold me a 328? Oh, we got louder.
Oh, nice, bro.
What's that noise?
Bro, that doesn't sound normal, bro. No, I swear. I hear ticking. This is crazy, bro. Hey, seriously, congrats, bro. I'm glad you're back in the BMW world.
Me too.
Do it. Damn.
When I turn it off,
Okay, go.
The front, I don't know.
No, you can hear when it goes like clink.
Yeah.
Yeah. I disconnected mine.
Why?
I want it loud all the time. This is sick though. Congrats, my G. I'll see you. All right, later, bro. I'll hit you up. Later, bro.
Right back.
Little popcorn machine. So clean.